Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Figured I'd take you around the shop today, show you some of the current projects that we're working on. Start with is going to be our 993 Carrera RSR Tribute car. It's going to be doing our center GT3 conversion on this car to spice up that sound a little bit, differentiate what everyone else is doing out there. Next over here, we're going to have our 997.1 Carrera. This bad boy got our sport headers and our catted X pipe, wake it up with a little bit more sound and some extra added power. Also have our red seat belts here that we put in, courtesy of our friends over at Seatbelt Planet. Next over here, we're gonna have our 997.2 Carrera GTS with our full Fabspeed performance package. What that gets you is gonna be our comp air competition intake right here to give you all the right noises and sounds. It's gonna feature our valved catback exhaust, featuring helical valves to give you that option between loud and mild with the click of a button. Whether it's exhaust, intake, tuning, or even a safari build, we've got you covered. With over 30 years of experience and copious amounts of engineering capabilities, we can get anything you throw at us done. I hope you enjoyed this shop tour I was able to give you today. If you'd like a more in-depth look, feel free to stop by. Our doors are always open. We'll see you next time.